Hello! We're going to learn page 32 from Faber Piano Adventures Primal Level Lesson Book. Let's get into it. So, if you have a book, you will see the dotted half note in the blue box. And it looks like a half note, but it has a dot next to it. We know that half note is 2 counts, 1, 2. But if you have a dot next to it, we add one more, comes 3. 1, 2, 3. That's total 3 counts. So you will see some dotted half notes in this music. In this page, we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left hand, 4 fingers. And it goes to C, B, A, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it will go up to 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's look at the right hand. They will use 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4. And it will go down to 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. We are going to play each 2 measures and you will repeat after me. Left hand first. Ready, go. C, B, A, G, 2, 3. Your turn. Ready, go. C, B, A, G, 2, G, A, B, C, 2, 3. G, A, B, C, 2, 3. Right hand. Ready, go. C, D, E, F, G, F, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, 2, D, C.